Hello viewers, a lot of users are actually confused between iPad 10th generation and iPad 5th generation or M1 chipset. They want to know which tablet is best for them, whether they should buy iPad Air 5th generation or they should buy iPad 10th generation. Today in this video, I will try to clarify the confusions that the users have. Talking about the processors, iPad 10th generation comes with A14 Bionic chipset. On the other hand, iPad Air 5th generation comes with M1 chipset. So M1 is more powerful than the A14 Bionic chipset. So if you compare only with the processors, M1 is way better. The second factor is about the display. Actually, iPad 10th generation has a very good display, but if you compare with iPad Air 5th generation, I think Air 5th generation has better display compared to iPad 10th generation, but you will not notice any difference if you don't compare them side by side. So you may pick any one of these two tablets. The third important factor that users should keep in mind is the storage variant. If you spend around 40,000+, in that case you can buy iPad 10th generation 256GB version, and by spending the same amount you will get only 64GB of internal storage with M1 chipset or iPad Air 5th generation. Storage is a vital factor. You may compensate the storage by buying iCloud or by using any third-party Type-C pen drive or SSD storage, but that is not the permanent solution. I think internal storage should have been more. So in that case you can buy iPad 10th generation by spending about 41 to 42,000 rupees. You will get 256GB of storage, so you will have no problem whatsoever in future. But if you want to buy iPad Air 5th generation, in that case you should go for the 128GB or 256GB version, because storage will be an issue in future. So you will have to keep deleting things at regular intervals if you buy the 64GB version. Again, many users who are buying iPad for the first time, so they want to know whether they should go for the iPad 10th generation or they should buy iPad Air 5th generation. If you are a new user and you don't have much high intensive task, you can buy iPad 10th generation. This is also a very good tablet. You can have pen support and you can buy third-party ipencil to write on it if you want to take notes on this iPad 10th generation, and also you can take notes on iPad Air 5th generation also. But for the regular or casual users, iPad 10th generation is good enough. They don't have to spend more money on iPad Air 5th generation. They can buy the 256GB version instead and they will have great fun. Now let me know in the comment sections below which tablet you want to buy. If you want to buy iPad 10th generation, you can buy this at around 40 to 41,000 rupees, and if you want to buy iPad Air 5th generation, you will get that device at about 42,000 rupees during offers. And if you want to know about the latest offers on smartphones and tablets, you can subscribe the channel with notification bell on so that you don't miss any video whenever I upload any video. Hope this video has become informative to you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.